G'day, fridge freezer on a Leopard 43. It's a 2000 Leopard 43 sailing catamaran. Fridge freezer on it is original. Thanks to Fridgetech technicians who came and addressed all the leaks between the compressor and the freezer, regassed it, regassed it, and the freezer is absolutely brilliant. Almost -7 degrees at the moment. It's fairly empty. With it full, I think it'll be a lot better. Chuffed with it, totally pleased. Don't need to change any original items on boat. Cool.